Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delilah Ferrari, and as you can tell from the title of this video is about this bright red hair that I have in, and I am feeling this, guys. This hair was a 613 hair that I just colored with the color Adore, and yeah, it's just looking so beautiful. It came out so perfect. It's not really the color I wanted because I really wanted red, but I got like a pinky red, but I'm so satisfied, and the Adore product made this hair very soft. I love it so much. I get so much compliments, and I promise you, you won't regret it. This was a 613 wig in the length 26, 3 bundles and 1 frontal. The color did not get on my lace at all, guys. It just took right on the hair only. It got a little bit, but when I put it on my head, you see blonde, you don't see red. So pretty much I will show you exactly how I got this. I love sharing this with you guys, and I loved putting the video together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, guys. To begin, guys, we're going to take our 2 Adore colors and our Got To Be Glue Freezing Blast Spray. And of course, you'll need your wig. This is my 613 beauty wig right here. I love this wig so much. I already worn it out, and I'm just ready to color it. So I'm just gonna flip this over to the lace part, because right now you're going to freeze your lace. You're going to glue it up so no color don't get on there. So I'm just going in with my Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and I'm going to spray all over this. It will protect it from getting colored. Going in with these 2 Adore colors. This is the Intense Red 71 and the Ruby Red 64, guys. You'll need a clear bowl like this so you can see how your colors is coming out. And for this video purpose, I needed a clear bowl. I'm just eyeballing how much I'm pouring. I'm not using no measurements. So once I go in with one color, I go in with the other. It doesn't matter how you do it, guys. And I'm using a medium pot size boiling water, and then I take another small pot size boiling water. I put it into this bucket, and you'll need one of these mixing things, and just stir it until you see the color is really dark. If you feel like it's not dark enough, just apply more of the Intense Red. Now I'm going to take my wig, guys. I was scared to do this. I've been waiting weeks to do this, just contemplating, and I said, you know what, hey, let's just do this thing. Now just dip and dab. Just dip and dab until you get it all the way in there. I was skeptical, of course. I thought that I would have like blonde streaks or something, but this water method is the best thing anyone could ever come out with. I love doing this, and I will continue doing it. Using that mixing thing, I just use it to press down so it could get all in there, guys. And be careful with this hot water. I should have worn protective gloves, but I didn't. And all you need to do is go back and forth. Every time you see the water getting clear, you add more red. As you see there, the water is getting dark. The more I dip the wig into the water and take it out, you can see that the color is getting lighter in the water because the color is taken onto the wig. As you can see there, I was burning my hands a little, but no worries. I was being extra careful not to hurt myself. Now, as you see, when I pick that up, the wig is taking color marvelously, but also the color in the water is brightening. Now, I put more color and it got dark again, and we're just gonna keep dipping and dipping until we get our desired look, until all of this color is into our wig. I went and grabbed a brush and a comb because I thought this comb might help me pick up my lace wig and not burn my hand while I'm picking it up, but I figured that the comb might poke a hole in my lace, and oh no, I don't want that, honey. So I just took a L and just held that in my hand. It was hot, and I used my brush to comb through every strand because I wanted the color to get into every strand of blonde hair. As you can see, this Adore coloring is making my hair super soft. as I comb it, it was super easy to comb, as if it had conditioner in there, guys. Go buy Adore products if you want to color your hair, because that is some strong stuff. It's like conditioner. You don't even need conditioner after, but of course you must always condition your wigs because you don't want no nappy wigs. I'm looking at my nails because I realized, like, girl, you should have really put on some gloves, because now my nails are all red. It's not even green anymore. It had a little bit of tint of red, but no worries. That red came off in a few days. So guys, I'm saved the best for last. This intense red, I poured all of the rest of it in there, and then I mixed the water because I wanted the hair to be a little bit darker, more red pretty much, and I just dipped it back in there, and I'm gonna let it sit. So I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes and I'll be back. Now I'm going to just pour that red bloody. Oh my god, that looks a little bloody. But yeah, it's just color, guys. I'm going to pour that water out, and yes, this was really hot. Once again, be careful. Just rinse that color out. Going to add a little bit of keratin shampoo and just keep washing it until all of the color is out. I'm just giving it a second wash because the more I washed it, the lighter the color was as I squeezed the hair. Now it's time to silicone this biatch. So I'm so happy this color came out so beautiful. Just apply silicone all over to give it a softer feeling, and so your hair don't be all tangled up, guys. Just comb through your wig with this silicone mix and take your time. You will get your desired color. Trust me, this water method is the bomb. You won't regret it. Look how soft this wig is. I'm so happy with the results. And that's about it, guys. Just squeeze that excess water, open it, make sure it's all over. It did get on my lace a little, but I think because it was wet, that's why I look like that. And now look at my finishing result. Oh my god, I'm so happy. It's so neat. It's so ruby red. I just love it. And if you followed my method, you followed my steps, and you got this exact color, comment below, because girl, you on bomb and you on fleek.